After unzip the downloaded zip file, you will see this folder. Inside this folder you will get DAP_setup.txt, this video tutorial, and this extra tools folder. At first you will install DAP_setup. Now go to the extra tools folder. Install this 7zip.txt. Now install this InnoSetup function of the 6 files. I will describe you later. Into this folder you will get a text file that is very important for your PHP Desktop application. What is this info.txt? After run your application, it will automatically create into your www folder. Remember, not in development time. It will create after pack your application. So now I am opening it for you for describe. This first line will show your main application X path where you copy this PD command X file. For example, here we are copying it to this PHP Desktop folder. Here show your application name that was you provided into packing time. Here show your client unique software key. You will create license on this key for your application users. This line show license type. Next 2 line username and email. This 7 of line show various parameter. All parameter will show as per your packing for your customer. If you select a fixed day trial for 7 days in packing time, mean you will not provide any license to your customer. He can use your software for 7 days without any license requirement. Same thing for without any selection. But difference is your client can use your application for lifetime. But if you select require license, in time of packing then new clients couldn't use your software without any license. May this license will be a trial or a registered with time limit or lifetime. This last line will show you last time of use your application with hour, minute and second. So by help of this data you can create your application about screen, where you can calculate everything to show your client. This is file handler X, and it is your license generator. I will describe later about this 2x. So what is this PD command? It will mainly use for properly close your application. After pack your application. If you use normal close, then it will not close properly and your PHP application scripts file may be open for your user. So I recommend you use this command. And disable this close button for secure your application. Also by the help of this command your application looks and feel like a real Windows application. So now test it. Now copy this PD command X and paste it here. Now copy this info.txt file to your www folder. Now for testing I just change its first line. I have been past actual path of my application that is PHP Desktop Chrome. Don't worry, this path will write automatically when you run your packed application, and all line will modify by application. Now open this PD command usage example file. Copy entire code and paste it into here. It is a file selector. After select any file, text box will show it real path. In this exit button I have used the usage of all command. You can see this file. Here destroy app main command. It is your original application name that you will create at packing time. So recommend you first note down any DLL name that will use into both place. First enter your PHP script exit command, and must be used same name into Packer Wizard. Either exit will not work. Let's see how it work. How to change this text. form here you will type your application name. Now if we select yes, then it will not work because command not found any edecom.dll. So here just for testing we are changing this name. It is your secured settings.json file. Normally all security setting is done here. You can change just red highlighted features as per your requirements. You can edit or change your normal settings.json as you want after complete all previous steps. Now we're ready to go for packing. Here my trial license is activated. But when you run first time all this option will be disabled. First you request a license from here. After receive the license X you will just run the X and your program will be activated. If we have no icon for our application, then we make an icon for our application. For here we are creating a just simple icon. Open Windows Paint. You must create 32-bit icon with select this 3 option. Unchecked other option. Is ready for our application. First we will change this PHP Desktop Chrome.x icon with our icon. But here you see this X still showing it original name and version. So now we change the application name, product version company and others. Now it is showing perfect. Everything is ready now. So we will enter to our compile wizard. Select a blank folder where your entire compiled file will save. But remember, no space will support into folder name like this. Remove all space from folder name. Here you will select your icon and version changed PHP Desktop Chrome.exe. This DLL name must be the same that you use in your exit command into PD Command X. Here you will select your icon and version changed PHP Desktop Chrome.exe. Select your application www folder. Select your PHP folder. Oh, we forgot about a thing. We need to edit our PHP ini and change this max execution time 30 to 300. In this step we will select our license type for our user, which I already discussed. In this screen you will set up your trial message screen. If your customer support company is different, then you can change it here. you satisfied with your screen, just click on this Finish button. Either again change as per your requirements. This is your PHP Desktop Chrome.exe that converted to a DLL. Now this is your main application file. Just change its icon. Now copy all this file and paste it to your PHP Desktop folder. And remove this old exe file. Now delete your www and PHP folder. In time of compile we set up require license. So without license this application will not run. Now we will learn how to create a license for our clients. So go to your Extra Tools folder. Here you will see this license generator. This key will provide by your clients in time of registration. Use this key for my PC. Here you will see it have been created file license.pdts. Send to your client. Here we will copy to our application folder. Here you see we have no www or PHP folder but program is running. You are seeing your close button is disabled. Now we check our exit button and select folder. install is working perfectly. Now we will go for Maker installer for our application. Open your previously installed 7-zip. Leave your app.txt. We have been completed our compression work. Now we use inno setup for complete our compile work. Now we select our file handler.x from our extra tools folder. What is the work of file handler? It will extract all your zip file and after unzip remove all zip file. So we need to instruct our file handler what file is our zip. Let's edit this file list.txt file. Create a license file from Word and save it to RTF format that's selected from here.